The Vulnerability Assessment web application is a planning tool that combines both natural and built environment data with social factors to show us geographically where flooding risks are the greatest. The web app will inform the public of future flooding risks, and decision makers can use it to influence future smart growth and development. Resilience efforts and infrastructure dollars can be prioritized where they are most needed and where they will offer the most protection from future flood events. This tool can also be modified and adapted for other counties and jurisdictions within the Emerald Coast region. This will help strengthen not just Santa Rosa County, but the entire region's resilience to future flood hazards.
So this project, it is a one-year project in which we are assessing vulnerability to flooding throughout Santa Rosa County, Florida. And part of this vulnerability analysis, we're looking at not only environmental factors, such as if you're a lower elevation or a higher elevation, we're also looking at things such as economic and social factors using census data. So this is looking at not just environmental vulnerability, but also those social vulnerabilities. So this way we can use this analysis to help us prioritize mitigation dollars within our county.
So part of this project too, with the vulnerability to flood control that we're working on, is we contracted with the University of Florida with the civic program, which is Community Voices and Informed Choices. And then we also contracted with the Natural Resources Leadership Institute. And so we've had some now online training on conflict management, how to run meetings, and then how to really interact with the public. Ultimately, we'll be having a public meeting in the fall via Zoom, but that's actually the civic training for us will help us engage with the community and actually get them to talk to us and communicate what their needs are as far as education, and then also things that they'd like to see changed, and then also to introduce the project also.
Naturally, people want to build and live on the coast, but that puts property and lives at stake during flood events. By planning for flood resilience, we can learn from past and projected impacts, assess risks, and protect property and lives.